Scott Lang, Ant-Man, found himself in a predicament far stranger than any shrinking escapade. He wasn't facing a supervillain or a cosmic threat. He was trapped in a quantum prison, a shimmering, ever-shifting labyrinth of subatomic particles. The prison's warden, a being of pure energy who called himself the Chronos, explained the rules. Escape was possible, but only by solving a series of paradoxes. Failure meant being trapped forever in the quantum realm, a fate worse than any villain's wrath. The first paradox was a classic, a room containing two doors. One led to freedom, the other to an endless void. The only clue was a riddle etched on the wall. The answer lies in the question itself. Scott spent hours, his mind racing. He realized the question wasn't about the doors, but about the paradox itself. He chose the door on the left, trusting his gut feeling. The wall dissolved, revealing a vast empty space. The second paradox was a temporal puzzle. 3 identical clocks showed different times. One was an hour behind, one was an hour ahead, and one was frozen at exactly 12:00. Kronos smirked. Only one time is true, Ant-Man. Choose wrongly, and you'll be stuck in a timeless void. Scott pondered the nature of time's linearity in the quantum realm. He chose the clock frozen at 12:00, reasoning that it represented a point of stasis, a timeless now. The space shifted, and a new path opened. The final challenge was the most unsettling. Kronos presented Scott with 2 versions of himself. One, an arrogant, selfish version from an alternate timeline, and the other, a selfless, compassionate version from another. Kronos' voice boomed. Only one of these is truly you. Choose wisely, Ant-Man. Your choice determines your fate, and the fate of all timelines. Scott was shaken. He looked into the eyes of both versions and saw reflections of his own strengths and weaknesses. He couldn't choose one or the other. The answer was clear. He was both, a combination of his best and worst selves. He accepted this duality. The prison dissolved. He was free. Scott emerged back into the normal world, changed by his experience. He had confronted his own nature, the paradoxes of existence, and the boundless possibilities of the quantum realm. He knew he could never be the same, forever marked by his journey through the heart of time and the mind itself.